So what we've been doing here this weekend is a process called Nature's Boardroom, and the best way to describe it to you is what I call two halves of a love heart. So one half is the inner work and the other half is the outer work. And in business, we do a lot of the outer work. We're strategizing, we're doing this in digital spaces, in meeting rooms, and old-fashioned boardrooms, which is table and chairs. This is a new kind of wisdom. These trees is the new boardroom for regenerative business. So that's Nature's Boardroom. We combine the inner and the outer work with a morning of forest bathing and an afternoon of leadership coaching for a really profound and deep change within you that will then express itself in your business, the kind of new growth, new success, new impact that we need for a beautiful world. I can't wait to see you in Nature's Boardroom.